Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a new document in Google Doc. So for you to create a new document in Google Doc, you have to head over to your browser, then you click in the search bar and search for Google Doc. Then it's going to bring out some list of websites and links that go straight to the official website from Google Doc. Or if you want to do that, you just simply type in the web address, which is docs.google.com. Then once you press in, then you should have something like this with your email being logged in. After that, then you can click on this blank document. That is how you can create a new document, or probably use this template by Google. You can use it. You can click on any one of them, or you can simply just click on the blank space. Then you can create new documents starting from the beginning. Then right here you can name your document for the kind of project you're looking for. Once you do that, then you can click on use the save button, which is on file. Click on file. Then once you do that, then you click on where to download your folder to, and that's it.